Now let's come to here after you know who I am. Forex is a portmanteau foreign currency and exchange. Foreign exchange is the process of changing one currency into another currency for variation of reasons, usually for commerce, trading, or tourism. According to a recent 3 years report from the Bank of International Settlement, a global bank for national central banks, the average was more than 5.1 trillion US dollar in a daily forex trading volume. Source Investopedia. Now let's come. What is it? Forex trading. Forex trading is trading one currency versus another. Example: euro versus the dollar. Euro is the currency of European Union and the US dollar is the currency of USA. Let's say that you believe your economy is doing well than the US, or vice versa, depending on your trading style, because there is a lot of trading styles. So you buy the euro and you sell in the US dollar, because you believe in the euro will increase in the exchange rate and the US dollar will decrease. That's very simple, not very complicated. But here it came the magic. So if you want to get started in the forex market has many similarity to the equity market. However, there are some key difference. The article will show you those different and help you get started in the forex trading. If you decide to take a stab at the forex trading, access the currency market has never been easy, with a wide range of online brokerage platforms offering everything from a spot trading to future and safeties. So, and here it came the magic, choosing forex broker, because all the scams and manipulation and stealing came from brokers. A majority of the people, they losing the money of them because of brokers. Because the brokers, they manipulated the price. So for us, like retail trader, you want to choose the best broker. So for forex broker regulation, one of the most important criteria for traders when choosing a forex broker is the regulatory status of that broker, and under which regulated body the broker is regulated. Unregulated forex and savings broker are a risky place for a trade to deposit funds. If you put your money there, bye-bye. Most trusted regulatory statute is FINRA, that one USA. I put it number one because it's number one. If you got something of USA, and don't worry, I will show you the brokers at the end. Number two, FCA of UK, and USA they offer leverage maximum to 150, UK 130. ASIC Australia leverage 100 to 500, 1 to 500. MAF of France leverage 1 to 30. Also, when you're choosing a broker, it needs to be registered at one of the two. If you got three, it's very good for you, because if you got USA, UK, Australia, that's very, very good. So let's pass to second. And choosing a forex broker. To forex broker, you here in chapter 2, you're going to search for forex broker reputation. What people they say about that broker, the rank of it. There is many forums. Choosing the commission and fees, offering of investment, attachment, equities, the pairs they have, the platform and the tools, research, deposit and withdrawal minimum and fees, because there is many brokers they offer for you deposit, no fee, but when you want to withdraw, fees they be very high. So you need to be aware from all that and ask them. Customer service, mobile trading, educational low spread, not only in the Euro USD, because them they said low spread in Euro USD, but in others I'm going to find But all these things you can't find only by Google the forex broker reputation or by simply contact the broker itself. So they need to give you the information, because the law is making them to give you the information. Now we came to types of brokers. There is dealing desk. This is non-dealing desk. A dealing desk is a broker where you trade between you and the broker. The order never go out. If you are a profitable trader, and your order never go out unless if you are a profitable trader. Non-dealing desk, it's a broker acting like a bridge between you and the exchange, and the broker just take the commission and the spread. Pick very important things. All the dealing desk and non-dealing desk broker, they classify or they group the traders to two types. That's the most important part, and nobody can tell you that. All those traders you find in YouTube, they can tell you that. They type in you two types, book A and book B, that depending your trading record of you. So the first 3 months of you trading, it will tell them to put you in book A or B. That's why you hear 90% of retail traders, they lose 90% of the capital in 90 days or 90. The basic of currency trading. Trading session. Currency trading is 24 hours market that it's only closed from Friday evening to Sunday evening, but the 24 hours trading session are misleading. There are 3 sessions that include the European, Asian, and United States trading session, although there is some overlap in the session. The main currency in each market are traded most during those market hours. This means that certain currency pair will have more volume during certain session. Like trading who stay with pairs based on the dollar will find the most volume in the US trading. In the euro, going to find the most trading volume in those currencies like British pound, the euro, Swiss franc. In Asia, you're going to find Japanese yen, New Zealand, and Australian dollar. And here, where is the time it's opening? Here, everything with GMT, as you can see. And the source is down. So here we came to the trading size. Currency is trading in various size: lot, the micro lot, and in various size. The micro lot is 1,000 unit of a currency. If your account is funded in US dollar, a micro lot represented $1,000 of your base currency. The dollar mini lot is 10,000 unit of your base currency, and the standard lot is 100,000 unit. You see down here that micro 0.01 and mini 0.1 and the micro is 1. Let's move. What is it? A pip in the, because when you are in the, you have a lot a pip. We gain 10 pips, 20 pips, 100 pips. There, all currencies are priced out the 4th decimal point. It means a pip of a percentage in pound in the smallest increment of trading. 1 pip typical equal 1 divided by 100 of 1%. Its example down, it show you 10 pips in Euro USD. 1.12425, 1.12415 equal 0.0001. Here you see the difference. There is the 10 pips.